శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 311th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Mahabharatam Adiparvam 196th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Srimad Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Vyasa Maharshi giving the details of previous lives of Pandavas to Drupada Maharaju. In that process, he gave divine eyes and Drupada Maharaju could see everything and got shocked, and then he fell on Vyasa Maharshi's divine feet and praised Vyasa Maharshi's divine magical power. Then Vyasa Maharshi is saying like this, O Drupada, there is another story behind Draupadi's birth. There used to be one beautiful girl. She is the daughter of one of those rishis. Though she is beautiful and have very good qualities, she never got married. Then she did tapasya for Paramasiva. Then Paramasiva gave his appearance to her and asked her to ask for boons. Then girl asked, Patim sarvagunopetam ichhamiti punah punaha. I want such a wonderful husband. Like that she said repeatedly. Several times she said the same thing. Then Paramasiva says, yes, my dear devotee, you will get 5 nice husbands. Then she says, no, I just want only one. But Paramasiva says, yes, in the hurry you said, you repeatedly asked for husband. So that became 5 husbands. That is why in your next life you are going to get 5 nice husbands. O Drupada, that is what happened. The same Rishi Kanya now has born as Draupadi to you. Now this Draupadi is becoming a wife to these 5 husbands. This is all in the past itself, it is all decided. Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma's decision, all this is. So now you try to understand what I told and then do whatever you like. Like that, Vyasa Maharshi said to Drupada Maharaju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Srimad Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.